So today I thought I'd show you the contents of my fridge. These are mainly my fruit and vegetables, so I've got lemons, beetroot, cucumber, tomatoes and also on the top shelf I've got my aloe and my soy milk, and then lower down I've got my meats, so sliced meats which I eat. They're as like snacks so that I'm having proteins. Then I've got my onions, my beetroots, lemons, ginger, tomatoes, spring onions and parsley. And then I've got strawberries, which are delicious. Look at those strawberries. And then I've got a little bit of ginger there. Then in the drawers and underneath I've got the V8 juice, which is vegetable juice, and some almond milk. And in the drawers I've got a couple of beetroot and some sweet potatoes. And then in the lower one I've just got some extra coconut milk. And then in the door I've got my sweet pickles, which I like eating. They're delicious. And some capers, which I have with fish, black cherry juice, teriyaki sauce and red pesto. Then I've got some more fresh almond milk and coconut water, coconut milk and V8 juice, some beet it juice, and of course I've got some fizzy water, which I really like because that calms my stomach down. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the contents of my fridge, and I'm quite interested to see what's in yours.